gentlemen, behind this curtain, in this tent, lives the strangest creature you will ever see. The girl called Ika. Ika was brought here by legendary wild animal trainer Frank Bach. That's right, I said wild animal trainer. Because little as we understand about her, it is certain that Ika is more animal than human. The one question people ask me all day long is, what and when do you feed her? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's feeding time right now. And what you will see when I throw this chicken into that steel cage, you will see something you will remember for the rest of your life. We're late feeding her tonight, and so if we can hold off the feeding, wait, doctor, don't feed her just yet. That's right, crowd right up. We'll be glad to serve you. Follow your friends and neighbors. They know where they're going. They're going in. They're going in there right now. See what they're seeing. Don't be left out. They'll all be talking about this in the morning.
Get your ticket and come in. Killers of the Amazon can devour a cow in a matter of seconds. First time shown in your city, and you may never have the chance to see it again. Alive, alive, alive. They are alive, all alive on the inside right now. Killers of the Amazon.
Now, fellas, while the girls prepare for their next number, I want to take a moment to speak to the gentlemen in the audience who really appreciate something special. You all have already seen some of the entertainment we offer, and you know this is the real thing. This is not a family show. Well, fellas, for the next 2 minutes and 2 minutes only, we are offering something red hot. This little booklet, it is really something special. This is imported directly from France, and the manufacturers have put on every page an artistic representation of the female form. Now I'm going to hold up here, I'm going to show you just one page. See that lovely silhouette of a lady in her boudoir? Well, if I turned this over and you looked on the other side of that page, even you would be surprised at what all you can see. Every page is like that, and fellas, until you've seen these pictures, you haven't seen it all. Ladies and gentlemen, behind this curtain is the main attraction of this or any other Midway. In this tent lives the strangest creature you will ever see, the girl called Ika. Ika was brought here by legendary wild animal trainer Frank Bach. That's right, I said wild animal trainer. Because little as we understand about her, it is certain that Ika is more animal than human. She was found by Mr. Bach while he was exploring in the darkest regions of Abyssinia. His bearer, shaking with fear, told him the legend of a horrible creature known to live in the caves and swamps of the region. The local natives led him to the very cave where the creature was said to live, and there, as his terrified bearers deserted him, he found the missing link called